So today we'll be producing yogurt. These are the ingredients we need to produce yogurt. We begin by warming our water. Our water is supposed to just be warm, not hot. It should be warm. So in our warm water, we'll go ahead to dissolve our powder milk. We're going to dissolve it into the warm water and we will stir it until it dissolves completely and the solution becomes uniform. We're going to stir it to ensure that there are no lumps into it. Please, as I earlier said, you should not hot your water. Your water should not be hot. It should just be warm, slightly warm, so that you can feel it, so that when you put it on your skin, you cannot feel it hot. Then you go ahead to dissolve your powder milk. You stir it very well until it is properly mixed. Go ahead and stir very well until it is properly mixed. Then we are going to go forward with adding our yogurt. For this video, I'm producing 2.5 liters. So we'll be using this other yogurt which we have obtained from the store as our starter in order to obtain the active ingredient from it, which is going to convert our yogurt into the normal yogurt we purchase by the roadside. So we're going to add half of it into our milk and you will mix it very well. If you are to produce 5 liters of yogurt, you're going to ensure that you can of yogurt for 500 francs. So after that, we'll stir very well to ensure that our solution is homogeneous. We ensure that it is well mixed. Then we'll go ahead to cover it. Then we cover it with a cloth, a thick cloth, so as to conserve the heat in it, so that the active culture can convert it into the milk into our yogurt. So you cover it with thick cloth. You cover it very well. If possible, you double the cloth as you can see here. And please, you keep the yogurt in a dark place so for 8 hours before you can go ahead with your production. So after 8 hours, you can see how our yogurt looks like. It is very thick. The consistency is very good. So you are going to stir it very well to ensure that it is homogeneous. You mix it very well. Mix it until it is properly mixed and the yogurt is homogeneous. So you are going to stir it very well. Then you go ahead with adding your sugar. Please ensure that your sugar is in powder form. Do not be like me and use the sugar in the solid state, because if you use the sugar while it is still like this, it's going to give you a hard time for it to melt. It's going to take a longer period of time to melt. So you ensure that your sugar is in powder form. So you go ahead, you add your vanilla flavor. What we are currently using in this video is vanilla sugar, but the best to use is actually vanilla flavor. So if you can get vanilla flavor, then it's going to be nice, but if not, you can still do with vanilla sugar. And after this, your yogurt is ready. So you can go ahead and add your sugar. That is it, should in case you want to put sugar to your yogurt, because the sugar in it is not compulsory, it's optional. You choose to put sugar in your yogurt if you want to. So after adding some few cubes of sugar, we ensure that we mix very well until it is properly mixed. And this is how our yogurt looks like. See how thick it is. The consistency is very good and smooth.